Good morning, this is Autumn from Double Church's Animal Clinic. I'm a veterinary assistant. We got Mackenzie here as well, who's also a veterinary assistant here at Double Church's Animal Clinic. Today we're going to show you how to properly place a muzzle on your dog with our patient here, Mazaki. So we're going to go through 3 different types of muzzles, and then we'll also talk a little bit at the end about how to desensitize your dog from a muzzle. And we've got some other tips and tricks as well after the video. Alright. So your most common muzzle that you're going to see in store is a basket muzzle. So this is a basket muzzle here. You're going to need to measure your dog's head and muzzle when you go to buy one in store. In this case, I've already got her measured and muzzled size known, so we're getting a size 6 basket muzzle here. Okay. With this muzzle here, you don't have to worry about any kind of adjustments because it's just a loophole one. So with this, you're going to slide it on your dog's muzzle here. The bottom side is going to be the side that's longer. The top side is going to be a little shorter on the top of the muzzle. So you're just going to place it over their head, take the strap, wrap it around their head, slide it into the belt loop here, and you want to tighten it just enough, kind of like your collar, where you can fit 2 fingers underneath it easily without any struggles. And that's how you probably put in a basket muzzle. The next muzzle we're going to go over is a nylon muzzle. Similar to a basket muzzle, same thing. The long part's going to be on the bottom, the short part's going to be on the top. This one does have an adjustment area, so I usually like to make it a little bit bigger just so I make sure it fits all the way around the dog's head, and then I'll tighten it after I put it on. So you're just going to slip it over her muzzle, slide it around the head, put the belt together, and then you'll just tighten it again so you can fit 2 fingers underneath it. And that's how you properly muzzle with a nylon muzzle. And the last muzzle I'm going to show here is another type of basket muzzle. This one's actually leather. There are several different types of basket muzzles now that have this new style of putting it on, whether it's on the bottom of the chin or the top of the head. So in this case, this one slides over the head, and then it clips it underneath their chin. So this one, slide it over your pet's head. Put their ears in the little ear hoops, and this one clips underneath. So you take the buckle and snap it into place. And there are several adjustments on this one as well. So once you put it on your dog, you can tighten it, loosen it, whatever you need to do to get it to fit around the muzzle and over the head. Alright. If your dog is scared of a muzzle, there's several different ways that you can do it to get them deconditioned to do it. First, if they're absolutely terrified of the muzzle and they're trying to run from it and they don't want anything to do with it when they see it, just start off with letting them see the muzzle in the room. Every time they see it and they're not freaking out, give them a little treat. Once you get that part ready, what you can start doing to get them used to getting their face in the muzzle, take your treat, be peanut butter, ham, hot dogs, whatever your dog likes, just drop a little bit in there and allow your dog to just eat out of the muzzle. It's in there. There we go. Just get them used to placing their muzzle into the basket. Good girl. Once they get comfortable doing that, you can place some treats in there and just slip the muzzle over their head and lock your muzzle into place like you normally would. When muzzle training, it may take a couple weeks to get them used to it, especially if they're fearful of it. So don't be discouraged if it takes a little while to get them used to it. And that is muzzle training.